So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yoga. In this video, I will guide you with how you can remove or disable sign-in pin on Windows 11. So first of all, click on the start icon on the taskbar. Now here open Settings app. Now here on the left pane, click on Accounts. Now scroll down and here click on Sign-in Options. Now here click on Pin and now you will see this Remove button. From here, you can remove the pin. But as you can see here, this option is grayed out. So to fix it, turn off this toggle. Now, close the Settings app. Wait for a few seconds. And now reopen Settings. Now here click on Accounts. Scroll down. Now click on Sign-in Options. Now here click on Pin again. And now as you can see here, this option is now working. Click on Remove button. Click on Remove again. And now, verify your Microsoft account. And once you do this, this will remove the pin from Windows 11. So this way I can remove or disable sign-in pin on Windows 11. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.